go! We'll start with some red polymer clay.
Roll out some red clay. Then press down the tip. Flatten a ball of gray clay. Cut off the edges and peel them off. Then wrap the gray clay around the red and blend out the seam. Roll a ball of clay into a cylinder. Flatten the edges to make it look like a rectangle. Don't forget the top and bottom. Use a ball tool and press it on the top. Then put the lipstick into the hole. Now the red lipstick is all done.
Here, Lily, here's a tiny lipstick.
Wow, they're so cute!
Okay, so now you'll leave my makeup alone?
Wait, I want something sparkly! Will you make me lip gloss?
Okay.
Flatten out some pink clay. Using your fingers, smooth out some imperfections. Then roll out a small ball of clay and cut off the end. Now pinch the pink clay and add lines for texture. Use a ball tool to make a hole in the clay and put the coil in the hole. Then press down to flatten the tip. Use a tool to make a hole in the tip. Then dab glitter over it to finish the lip gloss.
Here you go, Lily.
This is perfect! Thanks, June!
So now you'll leave my makeup alone?
Maybe!
Yeah, he even canceled the date that we were on. What do you think you're doing?
Please, I just really want to paint my nails!
You know you can't without Mom's permission. I have an idea though. We'll use these to make some nail polish.
First, take pink clay. Flatten it with your finger and press down on the bottom. Then roll out a black coil. Then cut the ends to make sure they're flat. Then place it over the clay, and now you have pink nail polish.
Here you go, Lily.
This is so cool! Wait, is that my perfume?
Lily, you can't just take my stuff without my permission.
I'm sorry!
Was that too harsh? I'll use this purple to make perfume.
Take a purple ball of clay and roll it out into a cylinder. And flatten it down. Take another ball of clay and use a tool to make a hole. And put the cylinder in the hole. Use a ball tool and your fingers to blend out the seam. Roll out some gold clay and use it as a cap for the perfume bottle.
I'm sorry for being so mean. I made this for you. Do you like it?
I love it!
Does that mean you forgive me?
Of course, June! You're the best sister ever! I've always wanted to wear blush!
Hello? Hello? Back to makeup. Lily, you can't touch my makeup.
I just really like the blush.
You want blush? I'll make you some blush.
Flatten the ball with your finger, then roll it out with a rolling pin. Cut out a circle with an X-Acto knife. Then peel off the excess. Flatten the ball of black clay. Then place the pink clay over the black clay. Use a ball tool to smooth it out. Next, roll out a black coil and cut off the ends. Wrap it around the pink clay to create an edge. Use a blending tool to blend out the seams. Ta-da! The blush is now complete.
Here you go, Lily.
Wow, it's so tiny! It's smaller than even a quarter of it. I still don't have a brush for my blush.
Fine, I'll make you one too.
Use pink and purple clay and roll them into coils. Once both coils are ready, twist them together. Then with brown clay, roll out the edge. Flatten it using your fingers. Then use a toothbrush to add texture. Then connect it to the purple and pink handle. Next, squish the gray clay and roll it out. Then, use an X-Acto knife to cut out the ends. Finally, wrap the gray clay around the brush.
Here you go, Lily. Brushes for your blush.
Wow, these are perfect! Thanks, June! June!
What is it, Lily?
I really like your palette. Can you please make me one?
Okay.
Squish some black clay with your finger and use a rolling pin to roll it out. Use an X-Acto knife to cut out a rectangle. Use a ball tool to create holes in the rectangle. Then roll out different colored coils. Then cut off the end of the coil. Then place it into the hole. Use different colors to create the eyeshadow palette.
Here's your new mini eyeshadow palette.
Wow, it's perfect! Thanks, June!
No problem, Lily. Have fun. Mom already told you, no makeup, but I can make you some that you can use. We just need these two colors.
Use cream-colored clay and roll it out. Then mold it into a rectangular prism. Roll out a small coil and cut off the end. Pinch the end to make a nozzle. Squish a ball of black clay. Then attach it to the cream clay. Then add the nozzle. Now the foundation is complete.
Here's your foundation, Lily.
Thanks, but I still need a sponge to apply it.
Don't worry. I'll take care of it.
Pull a ball of clay into two pieces. Roll it into one small ball and a bigger ball. Pinch a smaller one into a cone shape. Attach it to the big ball. Use a blend tool to blend them together.
Here's some new sponges for you.
Oh, these are so adorable, June!
Thanks. Let's do our makeup together.
Okay. Can I have some?
No, this is mine. I know. I'll just make you a tiny lotion.
To make lotion, roll out a ball of white clay and flatten it. Use your fingers to pinch one end smaller than the other. Make sure the edges are smooth. Next, roll out a green coil. Then cut off the end. Then use it as a lid for the lotion.
See, it's ready. A tiny lotion.
Wow, I love it! Thanks, June!
No problem. What a mess. Lily left her makeup everywhere. It needs to be more organized. Oh, I just need this red clay.
Flatten a ball of red clay and use a rolling pin to roll it out. Make sure it's nice and flat. Now place a heart over the red clay. Use an X-Acto knife to follow the shape. Then peel off the excess clay. Now you have a red heart. Next, roll out a strip of red clay. Use an X-Acto knife to cut a piece down the middle. And peel off the excess clay. Use the strip to make a wall around the heart. Now we have a place to put all the makeup.
All done. And finish.
Sorry I left my... Wow! Is that a makeup organizer?
Yeah, I made it for you. Do you like it?
It's amazing! Now I'll never lose my makeup! You're the best sister ever!
Aww.
Hi everyone! Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye!